Hello students, myself Dr. Hari Prasad Paikrao, Assistant Professor, Department of Forensic Biology, Government Institute of Forensic Science, Nagpur. As we have studied in the last lecture about the ABO blood group system, now we'll go further in this particular unit with the next topic, that is RH blood group system, where we'll see what is the basic biochemistry and genetics of this RH blood group system. Here, if you see the brief background of this RH blood group system, you will find that it is observed as a complex blood group in humans. So, its nature is quite difficult to understand. That we will see how it can be observed. It was reported earlier in 1939 during a pregnancy of a lady who gave birth to a still child, which is a dead child. Later, when that lady was transfused the blood from her husband, it was found that she showed agglutination reaction in her body. So this was happened due to the reaction of her antibodies with husband antigens, and that is how it came to know that her body already possesses antibodies against her husband antigen. But how this happened was the discovery of this Rh antigen. It was observed as a HDN case, which is nothing but a hemolytic disease of newborn, where the child antigens, which were from the paternal side, get accidentally mixed with mother blood during pregnancy, and the mother produced antibodies against those antigens. So this is how the discovery of Rh antigen was came to the existence. So that was matching with the serum antigens from rhesus monkeys, and this is actually the naming of antigen as Rh factor. But it was not completely true, because those antigens not always matches with the rhesus monkeys, but because it was became widely popular, it is been kept as Rh factor till now. This Rh factor is encoded by highly polymorphic genes that we will see into the genetics part. The Rh antigens are highly immunogenic, which makes it important factor for care during blood transfusions. So this is about background. Next we will see how this blood group system is nomenclatured in the ISBT. If you see that ISBT symbol for this particular uh, blood group system is given as Rh. The ISBT number is 004. We have seen in the ABO blood group system that it is given the number 001. So in this case Rh is given the number 004. The gene symbol in this blood group system is given as RHD and RHCE based on two different genes, that is rhesus blood group D antigens and rhesus blood group CC or EE antigens. So till now there are various antigens been discovered in this particular blood group system. So now about 54 such antigens been discovered in under this Rh blood group system. Here we will see that this Rh blood group system can be seen as a protein molecule, where the Rh antigens acts as a multipass protein complex in the transmembrane of RBC. Earlier I told you about the RBC membrane and its respective antigens. Like here I will draw a picture where there is a RBC membrane, and on that RBC membrane there are certain carbohydrates are attached. But in the case of this Rh antigen, they are not carbohydrates but they are proteins. Which proteins are they? There are different proteins, like here you can see in this particular image there are different proteins are there. So this is the RBC membrane, and in this RBC membrane there are different proteins. Out of these proteins, this particular part, as you can observe, is a part of Rh antigen, which is comprised of a multipass protein. Multipass protein means where a protein passes the RBC membrane multiple times. Here you can see this particular protein chain is passing this whole RBC membrane multiple times. That's why it is been named as multipass proteins. It consists of different antigens like RHD, RHC, CCEE, RHAG, KID, Diago, Colton, Gill, RAPH. These are the names of different blood group antigens and their respective blood group systems. The Rh antigens are only expressed in RBCs because the protein complex is only present in cells of erythroid lines. See, earlier we have seen that ABO antigens are not only present on RBCs but they are also present on epithelial cells. But in this case, the Rh antigens are only expressed in the cells of erythroid line, and that is why their presence is only confined to the RBC. The protein complex that Rh antigen possesses is a tetramer, which consists of two Rh associated glycoproteins, which has been termed as RHAG, and two Rh proteins, that we will see which two Rh proteins. So there are two Rh proteins which are RHD carrying the D antigen and RHCE carrying the C or small c antigen and capital E or small e antigen. And in D negative individuals, those individuals who do not have this D antigen, the complex would only contain RHCE antigen because they are lacking this D protein or sorry, D antigen. And the rest other complex part, which is RHAG, in RHAG it have the function of directing the Rh antigens to the RBC membrane, because it means what, whenever there is a RHAG protein is there, it directs the RHD proteins to the RBC membrane. That is it, the function of RHAG protein. But sometimes if it is absent by mutations or any other cause, then in such cases those RBCs does not have Rh antigens. So this is the reason why RHAG is very much important. Now what are the phenotypes in this particular Rh blood group system? The most common phenotype is of RHDCE, which is having RHD as the main antigen and CE as the associated antigen. Sometimes RHD antigen is expressed in three uncommon ways. This is the most common phenotype, but sometimes RHD can be also observed in three uncommon ways. What are those uncommon ways? First one is weak D phenotype, second one is partial D phenotype, and third is del phenotype. Now we know if antigen is there, it means it will have certain epitopes. The epitopes are those parts which can interact with the antibody. Now this antigen, when the epitopes are weakly expressed, that particular RHD antigen is termed as weak D phenotype. When some of the epitopes are not present, then it is called as partial D phenotype. And in the third case, if most of the uh, epitopes of RHD antigens are weakly expressed or not present, it is called as del phenotype. Del means RHD antigen can be captured by eluting with the antibodies. So this is the del phenotype. This is about your Rh antigens biochemistry. What are the different proteins are associated with this RHD antigen and their respective phenotypes that we have seen. Now this particular Rh biochemistry, we will see that how this biochemistry can be understand in terms of protein structure.